Oh, we'll have a look around then.
So I'd still be able to get in touch with you, Dave.
Yes, mate. Yeah, absolutely.
Commissioning.
Yeah, yeah, no worries. Yeah,
Roger rebuilt the engine,
yeah.
so I've still got to. Obviously, you put me on to Roger because you were between. You didn't have your shed in your garden at the time and everything. That's when you left your.
Oh yeah, that was a couple of years ago now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Must be.
Yeah.
2 or 3 years, I'll bet.
Yeah, it's a couple of years. Yeah.
Yeah, it soon goes.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I'm still up to mischief. Yeah, sweet.
Yeah, good. I thought you were still looking. I did.
No, no, it had gone off sale, obviously.
Yeah.
And then, he delivered.
Yeah, still love the FT. Beautiful. It's a little bit overcast here at the Potkill, but it's not bad to try. A lot of events going on, so it's probably not as much here as what there normally would be, but that's nice, I like that. Yeah. Beautiful, look at that. Yeah. You still gotta love the look of a KH. Had a few when I was younger. CB200, that's clean. Beautiful. Ooh, blue frame, nice. It's a nice looking bike. Like I say, you've got the air cooled rally and a few other situations going on at your Donington and 1 or 2 county shows about. I think the rest of them are diesels. That's nice, isn't it? Yeah. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.